10 minutes of jump rope every day will do this to your body. Jumping rope isn't just for kids, it's also a great full-body workout for adults. It will not only improve your cardio and muscle strength but also help burn calories to support weight loss. Since all you need is a pair of training shoes and a jump rope, many people are ditching their usual cardio workouts for this fun exercise. Perhaps you may wonder whether you should, too. In today's video, we'll discover why jumping rope is a great addition to your fitness routine. Before you proceed, let us know when you last used a jump rope. Now, wants to hear some of the benefits of jump rope? Let's get them one by one. Number 1. Burns calories. Jumping rope is a high-intensity exercise that can torch calories in a short amount of time. According to a study by the American Council on Exercise, jumping rope can burn 11 calories per minute on average, which means that 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn about 110 calories. However, this number can vary depending on your weight, speed, and intensity. Some experts estimate that jumping rope can burn up to 20 calories per minute, which means that 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn up to 200 calories. Number 2. Develops agility. Proper jump rope form involves moving from the balls of your feet, which helps develop good footwork and agility. This benefit of jump rope translates well to other sports and activities that require coordination, balance, and speed. According to a study by the Journal of Sports Science and Medicine, jumping rope for 10 minutes a day for 4 weeks can improve your agility by 8%. Number 3. Improves bone density. A high calcium diet is widely known to increase bone density, but is jumping rope the alternative to diet? Yes, jump rope is highly effective in improving bone density. According to studies, jumping for 10 minutes a day can provide greater bone-building benefits than running, even for the elderly and athletes. Simply jumping is one of the top effective exercises for boosting bone density in men and women. Number 4. Full body workout. You might feel the burn in your calf muscles when you jump rope. But your calves and feet aren't the only body parts at work. Jumping rope activates multiple muscle groups. As you swing the rope around and jump, you also engage your thighs, hips, abdominals, arms, shoulders, hands, and wrists. With all these muscles at play, jumping rope makes for an effective total body movement. According to a study by the British Journal of Sports Medicine, jumping rope for 10 minutes a day for 6 weeks can improve your aerobic fitness by 13%. Number 5. Strengthens muscles. Jumping rope engages multiple muscle groups in your body, such as your calves, thighs, glutes, core, shoulders, arms, and back. It can also tone and sculpt your muscles without adding bulk. According to a study by the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, jumping rope for 10 minutes a day for 6 weeks can increase your leg strength by 11%. Number 6. Boosts athletic performance. If you want to boost your athletic performance, consider jumping rope regularly. In a small study, beginner endurance runners practiced jumping rope before training. After 10 weeks, they improved their speed and jumping ability. The runners also noticed less stiffness in their feet, which might reduce the risk of injury. As you can see, jumping rope for 10 minutes every day can have amazing effects on your body. Besides doing many wonders for your body, it can also boost your mood, confidence, and self-esteem. So what are you waiting for? Grab a jump rope and start jumping today. If you like this video, please give your thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.